I want an indulging body care routine that makes me feel pampered, that makes my skin look really, really glowy, youthful, radiant, and firm. I'm no longer doing anything that puts my skin in jeopardy. When you use this all the time, when you use Cosmo White, when you use all these brightening, lightening lotions all the time, this is where you are. How does it feel to be sitting here? Take me back. Take me back, please. Which brings me to today's video, because I know someone is already thinking, Ariel, are we actually going to be doing today's video on the bed? No, but I had to make that dramatic presentation for you guys today because I feel like if I don't dramatize it, you will not know the effect that your current brightening or lightening body care routine has on your skin in the long run. And that is why today's video is about indulging body lotions that are surprisingly good but are not common, because nobody's recommending it on TikTok. Nobody is actually going to the market to get them because they are not brightening, they are not lightening. And that brings me to today's video, where we're going to be contrasting and comparing indulging body care versus brightening body care. What is the difference between an indulging body care and a brightening body care routine? When you hear the word indulge means to make yourself comfortable, to give yourself pleasure, to make yourself at ease, to pamper yourself, to really prioritize caring and bringing comfort to your skin in the use of products that has the ingredients that can help you to achieve that. You are not indulging in a good body care routine if you are still brightening up your skin all the time. There is no safe space, no safe season. Both summer, winter, autumn, spring, you're either using a lightening lotion or a brightening lotion, simply because, you know, this is the part that used to offend me. They say things like, this is the only lotion, this is the only cream that has worked for me, I cannot use anything else. If I change it, I don't know how I will not like my skin, I will get darker. This person already has sunburn, this person already has hypopigmentation, and they are still saying things like, if I don't use this lotion, I will get darker. How fair do you want to be? How fair do you want to be? And that is why today I really want to just talk about body lotions that are surprisingly great but are very uncommon, and that will help you to achieve a very indulging body care routine. The benefit of an indulging body care routine is firmer, youthful, supple skin. Firmer, youthful, supple skin. And I just feel like when you have crossed a particular age, the moment you cross your age 30, it is time to stop all the lightening lotions. It is time to stop all the lightening body care routine and to just stick to something that is indulging. Because you know what? The older you get, the less collagen and elastin your skin is going to be producing, and the saggier your skin is going to start to sag. Your skin is going to start to show signs that it is getting tired, in the form of cellulite, in the form of stretch marks, in the form of hypopigmentation, hyperpigmentation, and a host of other factors that are going to start to rear its ugly heads because you have not stopped the lightening or the brightening body care routine. Brightening, on the other hand, is an attempt to try to increase the radiance of the skin by reducing melanin pigmentation formation on the surface of the skin. For brightening, it is a gradual process. It is milder than even lightening or whitening, and I have described that in my last video. But I just wanted to bring a comparison between indulging and brightening. Brightening is continuous. It is actively subjecting the skin to a lot of work. When you continue to use a brightening product, your skin is working over time, and as it works over time, your collagen production is reducing, and you'll be wondering, oh, why is it that this person's skin is effortlessly glowy? Because all they ever do to their skin is to bring it pleasure, is to bring it comfort, is to use indulging body care products that can help it to be smooth, that can help it to be soft, and that can help it to look youthful and radiant. But you, on the other hand, you are actively winding up your skin, actively working it up with lightening agents, brightening agents all the time, and you are still not contented. The time is up. It is time to retire that era. When it comes to an indulging body care routine, you really want to make special emphasis on the body lotion that you'll be applying on the surface of your skin, because that just unlocks another level. And the first lotion that I have on today's list is Aveeno baby lotion. This recommendation is actually for my girls that are dry, severely dry in nature. Your skin type is between normal to dry. You want something that will repair your skin, pamper your skin, and you're somebody that you want something that is completely natural when it comes to skincare, when it comes to body care. You are no longer doing scented lotion. Aveeno is unfragranced, parabens free, clinically tested to be actually really safe for the skin, including used for infants. Infants actually use this body lotion, and I guess that baby soft smell, that baby soft feel that we get from babies, it's about their body care. It's in their body care. Aveeno body lotion is a reputable brand when it comes to infant care and when it comes to baby care. And that is why, honestly, I don't even mind. If I find Aveeno today, I'm going to get it, because I'm no longer using this only vitamin C that I can see on this my table. I am retiring these lotions. Plus, do you know that recently there has been a certain war in the cosmetic industry whereby a lot of manufacturers are using toxic substances that can disrupt the endocrine system and the hormonal system and the hormonal harmony, the hormonal balance of most of us females. You see, the scents that we perceive, those essential oils, those smells that we can smell from our lotion, oh, it smells nice. They are actually toxic fragrances that are infused into these body lotions, and sometimes you really can't tell the degree of the toxicity, and we're all just using it. And I just feel like after a while it is time to calm down and go the route that is relatively safe for the skin. Aveeno baby contains oats, water, glycerin, and a host of other ingredients. It is perfect for normal dry skin. It is non-greasy on the skin, absolutely friendly for everybody. I'm telling you, my skin is normal combination, and I'm gonna be trying that lotion. You're saving money, you're saving time, your skin is looking better. It is unscented, it is relatively safe to use on the skin day in, day out without any adverse effects, and you're going to be getting soft, supple, youthful, firm skin. Count me in. Next is the Eucerin body lotion. Guys, I did not know this, but Eucerin and Aquaphor and Nivea, they are from the same personal care brand called Berstdorf. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but they are a reputable German personal care cosmetic brand. And I was just like, oh my god, how come I have not heard or tried Eucerin before? And it is a complete repair body lotion. This is the body lotion you should be using if your skin is predisposed to harsh weather conditions. My girls are in the UK. Winter is coming, autumn is coming, unpredictable weather conditions in Europe, as far as Asia. You guys watch me from all these places in the world. It is time to retire the brightening lotion. The brightening lotion has gas to go. It is time to opt for something that will repair your skin, that will keep your skin safe, and that will be able to moisturize your skin intensely. And that is where Eucerin body lotion comes into the picture. It is good for dry to very dry skin, provides up to 48 hours moisturization, fragrance free, non-greasy, fast absorbing on the skin. The key ingredients are 5% urea, ceramides, natural moisturizing factors, and glyceryl glucoside. It has been suggested to fix issues that are associated with a compromised skin barrier, meaning if your skin barrier is compromised due to the harsh weather elements, you just relocated into a new country and you don't know what is happening to your body. Your body is flaky, it is itchy, it is peppery. Maybe you don't need to be using the body lotions that you brought from Nigeria now that you are in Europe. Probably that is the reason why your skin is having the issues that it has. It is time to retire that routine for now and opt for something that will completely repair your skin and keep your skin safe. The ratings are, however, a bit on the average side, which is about 3.7 ratings out of 5-star ratings. Retails for about $20. Yeah, that's a bit on the high side, Eucerin. That's a bit on the high side, but the quantity is about 500 ml, and I guess it is because of the ingredients that are inside it. A lot of people have actually reported and said that Eucerin has really worked for their skin, especially when they relocated to a new country, when they had issues with eczema, when they had issues with flakiness. This body lotion was there to pamper and really give their skin the comfort and the pleasure that it needed at a tough period. And that is why videos like this are really important. It's not all the time we'll talk about lightening lotions. I have to bring videos like this to you because a lot of people are watching me from different corners of the world and they have different skin concerns. Next is the Necessaire, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing this particular lotion correctly, but honestly, just looking at the packaging, looking at the website, you can almost tell that this person had aesthetics in mind. This particular brand has won multiple awards when it comes to their entire body care routine. And I mean, like all the girls that are bodies that are somebody's on TikTok, on YouTube, they use Necessaire body wash, Necessaire body lotion, Necessaire this, like it's giving top of the top luxury. If you are a body, use Necessaire. If you are a body, use Necessaire. Now, not just that, it is equipped with niacinamide, vitamin E, vitamin C, omega-6, omega-9, and of course, multi-peptide complex. My lord, that is a lot of ingredients inside one singular lotion, and I am here for it. This formula aims to moisturize, firm, and really strengthen your skin. Like omega-6 and 9, if it doesn't strengthen, what is it doing? Niacinamide, antioxidant, vitamin C, antioxidants, peptide for firming and softening and youthfulness. Like, hello, that it's saying it is doing what it is meant to do because the ingredients there are going to be doing what it is meant to do. It is silicone and fragrance free, dermatologist tested, clinically tested, and has very positive ratings on Amazon, and has very positive ratings on Amazon, on all your shopping websites that you can find it. It retails for $30 and the quantity is 200 ml. I told it's for the bodies. If you are a body, yeah, make sure you use Necessaire. Oh my God, did I just rhyme? If you are a body, use Necessaire. If you are a body, use Necessaire. If you use Necessaire. If you are a okay, sorry. Vaseline Intensive Cocoa Radiant Lotion is the next one that we have today on the list. This lotion is for my girls that are caramel to dark in complexion. You want something that would indulge, that will give you pleasure, that will make your skin feel good, safe, soft, health, good stuff. You want that? You need to be on the Vaseline Intensive Cocoa Radiant Lotion if you are a caramel to dark complexion girl. Okay, this lotion is good and it is pocket friendly. The price is $5.92 and the quantity is about 600 ml. It has beautiful ratings on their website with sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter seed oil, glycerin, and a tad little bit of fragrance. It is a non-greasy, fast absorbing formula, absolutely juicy to use on the skin. Like, how can you be using sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, cocoa seed oil, butter, and your skin will not be soft? It will be soft. It's gonna be giving soft and supple, like soft and supple, and even might I add. So out of a 5-star rating, Vaseline Intensive Cocoa Radiance Lotion has 4.5-star rating on Amazon. Everybody has good things to say about this body lotion, but I'm not even recommending it for everybody. I'm recommending it for my girls that are normal combination. Even dry skin can use this lotion, especially if you are caramel to dark in complexion. Somebody commented on my last video and was like, oh girl, you've not done anything for dark skin recently. And I'm like, hold up, let us add something for the dark skin girlies in this new video. All right, so other lotions that you can absolutely try if you're unable to afford the ones that are on the high end. You can see that my video has a mix of high end, medium end, and affordable end. You can pick anyone that your budget can carry. You don't have any choice. I'm telling you, at this point, you don't have any reason to not use something that will take care of your skin and that will help your skin to look really, really nice. Anyways, other lotions that you can find that will offer you that indulging, repairing, firming, youthful feeling kind of vibe that you can get in the market is the CeraVe moisturizing lotion as well as Sebamed. Sebamed moisturizing lotion is equally good. In fact, Sebamed has a little bit of antiseptic, or should I say tintillating, I'm looking for the right word but I can't find it, something that also caters to skin issues. Sebamed, I know Sebamed has been touted to work for certain skin issues like eczema, psoriasis too. A lot of people have actually been saying that about Sebamed. Anyways, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and of course I'm gonna catch you in the very next one. Those who are not subscribed, who only watch my videos, who only like my vibe, who only like my ambience, who only like, okay, you like everything the girl is about but you're not subscribing, do I have to sing my song, or should I really usher you out of this channel? Can I really usher you out of this channel? Anyways, I'm just joking, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up. This took a lot of work. It took a lot of work. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the very next one. Bye. Hey, use necessary. Use necessary.